अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज के इस वीडियो में क्लास फर्स्ट और सेकंड के बच्चों के लिए दो बहुत ही आसान इंग्लिश स्पीचेस शेयर कर रही हूँ। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट स्पीच ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। गुड मॉर्निंग, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aisha. Today I am going to speak few words about Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August. It is a very important day for every Indian. Our freedom fighters worked hard for our freedom. We should always respect our country and our national flag. We should be good citizens of India. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Second speech. Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. We remember and thank our brave freedom fighters for their great sacrifices. Independence Day teaches us to love our country, respect our national flag, and work hard for India's progress. Let us be honest, kind, and responsible citizens. Thank you.